Good morning, everyone. Dear student, in chapter 6, political parties, we also discuss about different concepts related to this chapter. Starting phase, why do we need political parties? In the same process, we also know about meaning of political parties, is a group of peoples, component of political parties, and function of political party. In last lecture, we also discussed about national political party and state level political parties. In today's lecture, we also discuss about challenges to a political party. Present time, we also know about. At present, most of political party in our country and outside in different part of world face different kind of challenge. First, you know about what is the importance of political party in a democracy. We also studies different kind of example. Political parties play important role for the promotion of democracy. We also aware about in India, we adopt a method of representative form of democracy. Almost every country adopt representative form of democracy. In representative form of democracy, we need political parties. In this chapter, we also discuss about one party system adopted in China, two-party system adopted in UK and USA, and in India, adopt a method of multi-political parties. So political parties also play important role. And we know political party is the most visible face of democracy. Political parties also play important role to promotion of democracy. But we also know about at present, many people also criticize political party working system. They also allegate on political parties. These political parties also not based on proper democratic ideas. Because in starting phase, we also discuss about formation of political parties according to feature of democracy. Almost every political parties also make a agenda. And we also know about political parties also have some principles also. Same happened also in democracy. So in almost every political parties also face different kind of challenge. So in this part, we also discuss about first challenge, lack of internal democracy. There is a tendency in the political party toward the concentration of the power in one or few leaders at the top. Student, you also aware about present time. You also take the example in our national political party and state political parties. Especially you also take the example of Congress party, present time dominated by only two main leaders, Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. Maximum decision taken in this political party taken by only two top leaders. You also take another example related to the Bharatiya Janata Party. In BJP, maximum decision taken by only two main leaders, two top leaders, Sri Narendra Modi and Amit Shah. They also take the maximum decision, and another leaders also follow their decisions also. So in almost every political parties also dominated by only top leaders. So party do not conduct internal election and ordinary members do not get sufficient information on what happened inside the party. We also aware about formation of political party to promote democracy. And in democracy, we also know about people have different kind of right, right to opinions, right to express their views also, right to form any political groups also, right to criticize government also. But we also know about in their own political parties, ordinary people have no right. They have no right to opinion. वो अपने लीडर्स को अपने ओपिनियंस नहीं दे सकते. They have no right to criticism. Political parties functioning, political party working system. We also know about at present what happened in Congress party. Because many famous leader in Congress party, especially Ghulam Nabi Azad, He also criticized the working system of Congress party. And you also aware about one of incident also happened in Rajasthan in the matter of Sachin Pilot and Ashok Gehlot. So this kind of problems also faced by almost every political party, and political parties not maintain any register according to the attendance of their members and do not conduct internal election because especially in Congress party many leaders also want to change leadership in Congress party. So they also criticize leadership of Sri Rahul Gandhi. So this is the problem of Congress party at present. And another example, we also know about what happened in Haryana in Indian National Lokdal. Indian National Lokdal also divide two different parts. Jajpa also is a new political group. So this is difference according to the views. So lack of internal democracy. And in every political parties, we also aware about and we also know the problems of different persons related to the political system and people's not aware about what happened in their own political party. Second, dynastic succession. Dynastic succession again related to the lack of internal democracy. We are also aware about most of political parties are also dominated by only one families, especially example related to the Congress and some regional political parties also. Student, we also aware about in our country, most of political party dominated by only some of family members, like in Haryana, Chotala also dominate INLD, Congress also dominated by Gandhi family from 1947 to at present. So during the time of election, most of tickets in favor of only their favorable candidate, their family members. This type of system we also aware about in our country. So ordinary peoples not get to be any ticket during the time of election because they have no connection to be top leaders. So dynastic succession also another important challenge of political party. This challenge present time not in BJP because at present we also aware about no political background of Sri Narendra Modi and we also know about any another political leaders also. But in recent time, in state level, this type of problems also start in BJP also in different areas. Next important challenge, money and muscle power. The party tend to be nominate those candidates who have or can to be raise lot of money. We are so aware about during the time of election campaigning, political parties also need lot of money. And during the time of election, we are so aware about many rich peoples also donate lot of money to different political parties. You are surprised when you know about near about 57,000 crore rupees used in 2019 Lok Sabha election. In 57,000 crore rupees, 45% money spent by only Bharatiya Janata Party. So during the time of election, political parties also need lot of money. So after winning election, after formation of government, this type of political parties also make many policies only in favor of rich peoples. Present time, Congress also allegate on Bharatiya Janata Party. This crazy bill only in favor of rich peoples. They also give to right to many big agencies, big rich agencies. They also collect to participate in different kind of activities because they also allegate to Bharatiya Janata Party this bill only in favor of Adani and Ambani's group also. So during the time of election, they also help to political parties. And we also know about another important challenge, muscle power. During the time of election, political parties also take the help of criminal candidates. And we also know about after formation of government, many government also support to this kind of criminal candidate also. In 2019 Lok Sabha election, near about 43% criminal candidate in Lok Sabha. So this is the another big challenge of political parties. Almost every political parties also give ticket to rich peoples and criminal candidates. They also want to election. Their main motive to form government, to win elections. So this is the big challenge at present in our country. Fourth, lack of meaningful choice. In order to offer meaningful choice to the voters, party must be significantly different. Students, we also aware about when political parties also format, when BJP format, when Congress, when any another political parties also format, they have different kind of vision. They have different kind of principles. But after some time, during the time of election, almost every political parties also have same ideology. No difference. During the time of election, these political parties also promises to voter. If his political parties also come into power, they also give job opportunities. They also give to the benefit of particular these caste and communities, these religions. They also give to free cost of electricity. So this kind of promises also given by different political parties. But during the time of election, no one political parties also promise for the economic development of country. No political parties also promise for the development of infrastructure in our countries. We also aware about what happened in Japan, what happened in China, because they also focus on human development, maximum development in the field of for the betterment of country. But in our country, this is the lack of meaningful choice because our voters also they also when political parties also same ideology, so they are confused. They give to vote to be their favorable candidate, but they have no choice. उनके पास कोई choice नहीं है क्योंकि उनके सामने कोई view ही नहीं है. Almost every political parties also give same same promises given by political parties. And we also aware about in our country during the time of election, many leaders also change their political parties. We also aware about Navjot Singh Sidhu. Last time as a member of Bharatiya Janata Party, present as a member of Congress Party. Last time we also criticized Congress Party, presently also criticized to be BJP. So people have no meaningful choice. This is not example of one person. Many leaders also change their political party during the time of election. So this is the main problem in our country. People have no choice. So dear student, remaining part we continue in next lecture.